Hey y'all, welcome to the Megan Thee Stallion Body Yaddy program. This series is all about building that stallion body, strength, curves, and confidence.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Megan Thee Stallion, aka the Hot Girl Coach, and right now I'm about to break down my whole workout routine.
That's right. You can find Megan's workouts online, from her Nike collabs to her personal training clips. But this program lays it all out in a structured, science-backed way so you can actually reach your goals. Today's focus, Hot Girl Pilates, a full body flow that sculpts your glutes, tones your core, and tightens everything in between. Keep showing up and don't be shocked when people start asking how you got so snatched. Spoiler, it's just the power of Pilates. You don't need a gym. We're getting creative using what we got, so you never waste money on equipment. I will guide you through every rep.
So hotties, if y'all got something to do, at least get the 10-minute workout in. Yes. You can do it. If I could do it, you could do it.
You heard her. And don't forget, follow along with the full Body Yaddy program schedule. Just click the playlist on your screen to find every workout in this series. Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to train like a stallion and get that Body Yaddy.
And if you quit, you're cheating. Oh, and start the episode over again.
Up next, Pilates Squat.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Bend knees, hips back like sitting. This tones legs and lifts your booty.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Slide your leg out, core tight, sculpts inner thighs and builds stability.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Slide back into a lunge. Keep balance. This shapes legs and glutes.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Black hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break.
With them legs on his head, I love tall women. You'll never catch me calling these niggas daddy. I ain't lying by my nut just to make a nigga happy. Nigga lifestyle when a nigga can't fit a magnum.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Spanish income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. Any rumor about me, let me get it. I'm an open book, and your man probably read it. Look at my AP, and these hoes still pathetic. Real bitches back when I check my protector. They call me patty cake, cause the way that ass shakes. I'ma make them eat me out while I'm watching anime. Pussy like a wild fox, looking for a soft skate. One night with them, make them lose it like a prom date. 2 watches, yeah, call me 2 Tommy. Skin like gold, and my teeth like diamonds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break.
Spanish income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Pull hands towards your waist. Strengthens back and improves posture.
With the long eyelashes, yes, I got a man. If I don't like who asking, I don't stand outside, cause I'm too outstanding. Cause the girls in the hood are always hard. Ever since 16, I've been having a job. Knowing nothing in life, but I gotta get rich. You can check the throwback pics, I've been that bitch. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Spanish income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Spanish income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Lie on your side, kick your leg back. This targets your glute maximus for a rounder booty.
You tryna mug us, tear the club down, stomp a bitch out, stand up in the new Bottega, fuck your damn couch, start a bottle, what these bitches barely keeping up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break.
Rudy, fuck you, bitch, you know it's up. Came in and beat with the stick, don't add me, bitch, you know it's tough. Hottest in my city, bitch, me and me diamond head, and I run up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
You could get your ass beat up right here. Take this shit to go. Throw them ones. Fuck that flow. Drag that bitch. Fuck that hoe. Insecurity can't even say your ass. They know I'm trained to go. Fuck the club up. Fuck the club up. I might stand up on your shit and fuck a dub up. Fuck the club up. Fuck the club up. I might go up in your shit. You tryna mug us.
I can't walk up in that club if I ain't get that back in me. They was at the club on live, we caught them bitches lagging. 11 deep up in the booth, we posted like a hat. I pray to God I hold on, run up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break.
Get my number out in club, they gotta follow me. Focus full of shooters just in case they try to follow me. Keep them pistols in the party.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Lower opposite arm and leg. Builds deep core strength and control.
Make that bitch my party, ayy. And we just spiced it up and got them bitches sauce on the
Club up, fuck the club up. I might stand up on your shit and fuck a dub up. Fuck the club up, fuck the club up. I might go up in your shit, you tryna mug us. Fuck
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Extend long, then crunch in. Works abs, glutes, and core stability.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break.
While we're catching our breath, which move is hitting you the hardest right now? Tell me below.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Lift chest and press through arms. Stretches spine, strengthens back.
I just want a rough neck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drop. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nugget to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Run a man, I don't know no other man. You fuck like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry bitches like I'm Greco. Beat around with nigga called Petro. Suck a nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break.
Just lay in it. Spin all day in it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Lift legs slow, control the drop. Targets lower abs for a flat belly.
Chatting when I ran down, she ain't say shit. My hitters gon' bang quick, fuck around and get dangerous. Bitches acting like Timbos, stomp a bitch in my Timbos. Hoes know I ain't playing games, no Xbox, Nintendo. Real bitch, no full shit, I stand on it, that's 10 toes. Pulled up in the big body with the dog tits on the window.
He says she's so sweet, they gon' wanna lick the rapper. Let them taste the pussy, then I kick them out right after.
Got these niggas vexed, cause I curb him when I want. Get his wig pushed back, if the nigga tried to call like,
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break.
My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Crunch up, reach through legs. Sculpts upper abs.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Sit up, then twist side to side. Works full abs and obliques.
Go harder, I can't let them think we the same. Hands sitting up like a horse's, put it like a portrait. Mouth full of diamonds and porcelain. Bitch, I know I'm gorgeous. Little bitty waist, big titties, I don't need no corset. Rich off these endorsements, shy hoes lazy. I always worried about a boyfriend. Potsy and Thicky and think I'm tasting the money. It look like I ate a few high. Just hopped on a G6. I'm getting head while I'm playing my switch. This nigga found out about that nigga. I don't give a fuck cause I'm a pimp. Bitch, I look good in my throwbacks. Look good chubby, I look good slim. Ignoring the haters that's big on my body. This pussy in front of them. Ayy, coming whole scale pack like a scrunchie. Tuned in, you gotta be monthly. A bum bitch can't get in my cum too.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have a break.
Parlay, these niggas know I'm the biggest investment. Ayy, I'm at the top of my game. I'm who they hate. This shit come with a thing. That's how I knew that I made it. I woke up looking this good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Hold plank on knees. Core and shoulders stay tight and strong.
I drug, oh, I ain't popping no Teslas. I don't wanna take no pictures. I don't get along with these out here bitches. I don't even know this hoe. The bitch keep begging me for attention. This pill shit ain't nothing new to me. I knew he was for the community. These hoes love to stick around and get their heart broke. I'ma bounce on a nigga like booty cheeks. Slide down on the dick like new sheets. Talk them through and let them know what to do to me. Y'all hoes treat a nigga like a death row meal. I treat niggas like charcuterie. Self-made, asexual, and I'm always on point like a decimal. Irritating these bitches like eczema. I can hang anywhere like a testicle. So much winning, they thinking it's freeing. Never thought I would do it this big. I'm the youngest bitch owning a masters. Bitches
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
this shit come with a thing.
Wrap on today's workout. You showed up, brought that stallion energy, and made it count. But remember, the real glow up comes from staying consistent. Keep showing up even on the tough days. Hydrate, cool down, and hit that playlist to stay in the zone. Want to keep seeing progress? Stick with the Body Yachty program and let your results speak. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your workout besties. I will see you in the next one. Bye.